Hello and welcome. This is the third application. It's a React blog application with CDNs only actually. And to make it work, you need to start the JSON server. The command here in the screen, just make an execution, and that's all. You can have your blog taste and a CRUD application. You can modify the blog or delete it. Anyway, all the CRUD is working perfectly using React CDN with no npm install. So for this code, we have a data of the JSON file within it, and we have a JS with all our dependency inside as usual, and we have an index that holds all the components. I have made them organized here, and the dependency are above, and we have the fetch. This is a hook, a custom hook, to fetch data from the server, and right click, open with the live server, and don't forget to start the as I told you, the background server to read the data db.json, and that's all what there is to read. Everything will work. I have included the tips to install the npm JSON server and to start the server here. You can make a new blog as you have seen before. You can add like test written by Mochi, and if you check the JSON database, it is here. So don't forget to share, and the code is in the description below, and thank you for watching.